I mean, my short answer would be like, that's, it depends on you, right? Like, if
Yeah.
you want to manage the database inside the cluster, go for it and use Istio to manage your encryption and all the other great things Istio does. If you want to use a managed service, use that, right? I think Istio can kind of do some stuff with managed services today, using egress gateways or using some of the external services, but some of that might get better, but there's not much Istio does for you when you're using external service.
Yeah. This is kind of orthogonal to Istio, I would say, right? This is really a question of, do I want to use a managed service or not? Whatever you pick, Istio will be able to work with that, right? So if you deploy your Redis, for example, inside your Istio cluster, that's fine. You can even put sidecars on the Redis if you want, but that'll be like a stateful set service. And there will be the commensurate trade-offs in Istio for that stateful set service. In particular, you're going to want to make sure that you have sidecar API rules that make sure that that stateful set doesn't go everywhere in the mesh, because stateful sets are when endpoints change in a stateful set, it is more expensive for Istio to update because of the way that we have to program Istio Envoy to handle them versus other types of services. So that's just one caveat to know. But in general, it just is a modeling question, right? Is it going to be a stateful set? Cool, Istio handles that in Kubernetes. If it's going to be an external service, that's also fine. But you just need to model that external service, right? That'll be a service entry that points to your RDS host name or equivalent.